Welcome to JH. Today we are going to install Cinema HD on your Fire Stick because, apparently, the thousands of legal streaming apps out there just aren't cutting it for you. Start by turning on your device and navigating to the settings icon. Then select the My Fire TV option. If you have already enabled developer options, congratulations, you are ahead of the curve. Feel free to skip to step 10. For everyone else, click on About to begin the process of unlocking your device's hidden potential. Now, you will need to perform a bit of a digital secret handshake by clicking on the Fire TV Stick option quickly, exactly 7 times. Amazon really makes you work for it, doesn't it? Once the message at the bottom says, "No need," you are already a developer. You can stop clicking before you break your remote. Go back one screen, and you will see that Developer Options has magically appeared in the menu. Click it, select apps from unknown sources, and click Turn On to confirm you are ready to live life on the edge. Return to the home menu and click on the Find icon. Then select Search. Type in Downloader, the Swiss Army knife of apps for people who like to sideload, and select it from the Amazon store list. Tap Get or Download, and wait a few moments for the installation to finish. Once it is ready, open the app, grant it permission to access your files, and click OK to get past the intro. You are now looking at the downloader interface, which is where the real magic happens. Click on the search bar and enter the Cinema HD code, 730116. This code is your golden ticket to finding the application without having to type out a massive URL with a clunky remote. Once you have entered it, click OK and scroll down to find Cinema HD under the Movies and TV Shows category. The download will start automatically, so try to stay patient while the progress bar crawls along. When the download finishes, click Install. Once the app is officially on your system, click Done rather than Open. We need to do a little housekeeping first, so select Delete to remove the installation file. Your Fire Stick has the storage capacity of a goldfish, so deleting these leftover files is essential to keep it from slowing to a crawl. Confirm the deletion one last time, and there you have it. Cinema HD is ready to go.